I will be talking about how we can potentially use Tidbit as an everyday user, which is one of the target users of Tidbit. As an everyday user, we basically expect almost zero advanced technological knowledge besides that of an everyday user. And as you can see, using Tidbit as an everyday user is a very easy task in summarizing any given web document. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to sign up and create my own account, my own user account. So I'm just going to make a generic account here in the login page. I'm going to name my username John Doe, and for sample purposes, I'm also going to give a password of John Doe. I'm going to sign up, and we see a success message indicating to us that the registration was successful. So now I can log in with those very same credentials onto the login page. I can go and type the username I just created and this very same password that I created. And when I log in, we can see that it brought me back into the index page. Now, the only noticeable difference, if you remember, is that back when we were in the index page, this summarize button was disabled, but now it's enabled because we can make summarizations. You will also notice that there is a history button here and a logout button here, which are available for logged in users. We'll dive into that a bit later. So I'm going to go ahead and look for a web document that I'd want to summarize. I guess I'd want to summarize this person's GitHub repository. So I'm going to go right ahead and drop that URL link in there. And I can choose my own summarization algorithm. Currently, it's restricted to frequency, LUN, and some basic. As you can see, using the frequency algorithm, we get this summarization for that web page. Given LUN, I get this summarization for the web page. And given some basic, I get this summarization for the web page. Now, if I want to look up the history of searches that I've committed, I can see the documents I've requested to be summarized. And if I want to go back and make another search, I can do just that. Let's say I want to go find more. I just don't want to summarize someone's GitHub repository. Let's say we want to summarize a CNN article. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and grab this CNN article. I'm going to go right ahead and try to summarize it with the LUN summarization algorithm. And as we can see, we get these results. Now, if I go to the history, I can see that my history reflects exactly the fact that I've asked for the summarization of this CNN article. And now I can log out. Once I log out, you can notice that I am back to the fact that I don't have a history button or a logout button, which just shows that I'm an everyday logged out user and a generic user. Now, as you notice, because I'm not logged in, I get back the same message that I must be logged in to request a summary. And basically, that's how you use Tidbit as an everyday user. It's very simple, very user-friendly, and gets the job done.